Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to reset the oil light on your Lexus HS250h. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. Make sure your multi-information display shows the odometer reading. Then, find the trip reset button, usually located near the instrument cluster. This button is key for navigating the menu. Now, with the ignition still on and the odometer showing, press the trip reset button repeatedly. You'll cycle through different display options. Keep pressing until you see Trip A displayed. Once Trip A is visible, turn the ignition completely off. This prepares the system for the next crucial reset sequence. With the ignition off, press and hold the trip reset button firmly. While still holding it, turn the ignition back to the on position. Do not start the engine. Keep holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You will see the oil light flash, then disappear, indicating a successful reset. Release the button once the light is off. After the light disappears, release the button and confirm the oil maintenance light is off. This simple process helps keep your vehicle's maintenance schedule accurate. Remember, regular oil changes are crucial for your engine's longevity. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.